Hello everyone. The PayPal Express Direct Pay Payment Acure Odoo app integrates in PayPal Express Direct Pay for a secure and automated direct debit payments. Simplify the transaction and reduce a manual tracking and ensure a smooth cash flow. Try it now. After installing this module, now let's click into the website. Under the configurations, you can see a payment providers where you can see a PayPal configurations. Now in this you can see a PayPal Express Direct. Once you click on that, there we can add a client ID in this. And in the message tab we can add a message for a help message, pending message, done message, also the cancel message. So once every configuration done, let's get into the website and place the order. Now for a website we need to get into the shop first. So from here let's place an order. I selected the product and I added the product into the cart too. Now let's view the cart. In the cart page itself, where you can see an option to pay by using the PayPal. Now let's click on that. So once you click on that, it will ask for an email as well as the password. Now once you have entered every details, it will redirect you to the home page where we can select a delivery. So once we have selected the local delivery, now let's click on the complete purchase over here. Once the payment done successfully, you can see a done to message. Now let's get into the configurations where you can see a payment transactions. So this is the one which we have placed where you can see the sales order and you can see the payments, how much amount, and we can see the payment method, in which payment method we have done, and you can see the provider reference, you can see the created on date, and also the customer basic informations can also be seen here. And you can see it will be in the confirmed state now. Let's get into the sales order. Now in the sales order, you can see the product as well as the local delivery. Now in this, you can see in the chatter, we can see an payment which is done, and you can see the payment too, which is linked with a sales order. And where you can see all the details. Now let's click on and payment. So if you click on the payment, now it will redirect you to the payment page where it shows a PayPal Direct Express and the amount, date, everything can be seen here in this page. And from this particular transaction, payment transaction page itself, you can see the payment too. So if you click on that, it will redirect you to the same page like payment page which we have done for this particular transaction. So this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.